everyone, it's John again with Smart Dots Robotic Solutions, and once again we've got another great Pudu product. This is the BellaBot Pro. We'll go ahead and do an outside look before we get into what's going on. Now clearly here it's a very cute robot. You got the cat ears, you got a big screen here, and right here we've got our RGBD, we've got our sensors for our LiDAR, and then obviously within combination of these different cameras, that's how we use VSLAM. So once again, just like other Pudu products, it is redundant as far as being able to see the world around it. So another great feature about this BellaBot Pro is that the battery is hot swappable. Now that means that if I've got this running 8 hours straight in a restaurant, the battery is almost dead, and somebody doesn't show up for a catering job, I can swap the battery in, and I basically have another little helper to take with me to go do some of these other things you might need some help with. Now, some great things about this is that it's very flexible for many different utilities. It's got 5 different modes. That's going to be delivery, obviously delivering things to set areas. You've got guide, which means this can be in an office, this can be in a restaurant and take people to the room, take people to the seat. You've got cruise mode, which is what we used if you saw any of the videos on the Smart Dots grand opening. It's going around to the same locations repeatedly and kind of moving out of people's way. So there's several great things about how this works. Now it's got multiple sensors on these different rows. So that means this thing's gonna be able to tell if it's got a liquid, if it's got heavier items up to 10 kg. So that means that it's gonna go slower when it's got a bunch of champagne on the rack, and it's gonna go a little bit faster when you're just taking some recycling to the trash. So when you take the correct item off the correct row, it's gonna go ahead and say thank you, bye, and continue to the next area. Now, if you do pull the wrong item off, it's gonna tell you pulled the wrong item, and obviously it's not gonna leave. You're having a big party, who wants to be the guy walking around carrying all the drinks and showing everybody where the snacks are, when basically you can load this guy up and it's like you've got another person with you. It talks, it's smart enough to get around, it doesn't get stuck. All the sensors, all the redundancies, just like any other Pudu product. The BellaBot Pro is a great word because this is a professional lifesaver. This thing is basically like having somebody who wants to do the work that nobody else wants to do, or when you're busy, it's like having an extra pair of hands. So if you have any questions about BellaBot Pro, just go to us at smart-dots.com and we'll answer all your questions.